Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my live stream channel. Hello, welcome. If you just join this channel, don't forget to tap the layer and follow this account. And now the product that we share is Indomie. Now if you have the question, you can just send to the comment, guys. But before you asking, I wanna show you about Indomie. Indomie is the one of the food is originally from Indonesia, and this is one of the favorite food in Indonesia. You guys know, and this is so affordable for like boarding house boys, for like in lecture. And what guys, do you have question? Oh, okay. Pak Turyanto have a question. How many variant that Indomie have? Okay, actually there is a lot of variant in Indomie, but now we just have the original one and the soto koya. But you don't have to worry because tomorrow we will have the another variant. Oh, Lutfi Bagus, what your favorite variant? Actually guys, oh, thank you for the asking. Actually guys, my favorite variant is the rendang flavor and the Aceh, but now it's so sad we don't have the variant because it's already sold out. And I just wanna tell you guys, Indomie just cannot just be like, you cannot cook it just like you, but you can cook it to another fruit, like you can make jalmi and mie nyema and another version of me. You can watch it in my channel. Yes, maybe that's enough for my live streaming, guys. If you have another question, you can send me after this live. Thank you. Don't forget to buy my product.